What's up guys, this is TampaTec. Today I'm helping my neighbor out and fixing his Arlo video doorbell. So whether you have a Nest video doorbell or a Ring video doorbell, hopefully this fix will work for you guys. Now if you have no signal from your video doorbell to your phone, what I suggest doing is going to the App Store and updating the app. If your app is fully updated, try to force shut it down and reopen the app or restart your phone. If that doesn't work, then you might have to hard reset the hardware. Now, of course, the easy way to hard reset a video doorbell is locate the circuit breaker switch that powers that video doorbell, flip the switch off, wait 2 minutes, flip it back on, and it should reboot after a couple minutes. Unfortunately, my neighbor and I could not locate the circuit breaker switch, so we have to physically remove the video doorbell using a micro Phillips screwdriver and the release pin that came with the unit. If you can't find the release pin, then you can find a cell phone release SIM card key that should work as well. And the pinhole is underneath the unit. Push up in the pinhole and pull out the Arlo video doorbell. On a Ring doorbell, it could be tiny screws underneath the bottom. On the older Nest video doorbells, there's a pinhole underneath the bottom as well. But on the newer Arlo video doorbells, the pinhole is on top. On my video doorbell, which is the first generation Nest video doorbell, I push up on the release pinhole and then I can pull out the bottom and then the top comes out as well, and then I can expose the wires. My video doorbell is a wired powered video doorbell and it's powered by 20 AC volts. Make sure you put your meter in AC mode before testing. Most North American homes, the voltage coming out of the wall for the video doorbell is between 10 to 24 volts. If you don't have that voltage, then check your home circuit. Some wireless powered video doorbells, they are either connected by a 12 volt power adapter or rechargeable battery. You do have to remove that power source to properly reset the unit for 2 minutes. Once you release and remove the video doorbell, make sure you grab the wiring and pull it out. Don't tug on the video doorbell because the wires can rip out from the connections. Turn the screws counterclockwise to loosen the wires. Make sure the copper ends do not touch. It is low voltage, but you still don't want the copper ends to touch because it will spark and short something out. After unplugging the wires for 2 minutes, go ahead and reconnect the wires and then turn the screws clockwise to tighten the screws onto the wiring. And then go ahead and place the Arlo back into the socket and test out the unit. It'll take a couple minutes to boot up. You should see the lights start to flash. If you don't see any lights flashing, then you could have a home circuit issue, or maybe the video doorbell itself is defective and you might have to replace the whole unit. Now, if updating the app didn't work and resetting the video doorbell didn't work, then you might have to check your wireless router / modem and making sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection. And if you don't, then you want to unplug those devices and wait 5 minutes and then wait another 5 minutes for it to reboot. So after waiting about 5 minutes for the system to reboot, looks like we got everything back in order and his video doorbell is now fixed. Hopefully I was able to fix your video doorbell. If I did, give me a big thumbs up. And if you know anyone that has a video doorbell that is defective and that this video will help them, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them, help someone out. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.